So we have been asked to produce a Cinewhoop video for the local baseball team, the Isotopes. It's a one-shot wonder, one-take wonder. No jump cuts, no speed ramps, and we're actually gonna show you what it took to practice for this video, but also to plan for this video.
Come on out for some explosive fun.
So you're gonna get to see behind-the-scenes shots of exactly how this all went down.
Isotope action is a surefire hit.
You'll see the meetings that we have.
It's a whole new ball game.
You'll see how it gets set up. You'll see even how the video is shot as a whole.
Fire it up, topes, and bring home a win.
So it's a lot to do, especially in 60 seconds. So let's show you what went into this planning.
Ball game. Isotopes, it's a whole new ball game.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Paul. I'm gonna be your pilot today. Personally, I just wanna say thank you for everyone being here. This is what we call a Cinewhoop production. It's a very small drone. It's about this big. Also very, very loud. It kind of sounds like a race car if you've ever been around an F1 race car. Now, when it comes to Cinewhoop videos and the production involved, there's really a lot more involved. There's a lot more planning, a lot more logistics, and a lot more that goes into the production. Because during this one-shot wonder, you've got various scenes taking place in each part or each obstacle. So the way that it'll start is the drone will essentially start right by the Isotopes logo above the marquee. So our first two scenes, we're gonna start at the top of the marquee where the Isotopes logo is. And we're gonna start there so that we can have any entry, lower thirds, or titles. So we're gonna start at a still frame right over the marquee or the billboard at the Isotopes logo. Then we're gonna be flying underneath this big Rio Grande Credit Union Field sign where the mariachis will be essentially lined up and we're gonna be flying through them. Mariachis. All right, so the one note I have for you is in between practice runs for the shot, we're gonna have to get an audio clip of whatever piece that you guys play, okay? Because I wanna actually use that in the video. Yeah! From there, we'll round this pole, because we kind of have to make an S-turn in order to get into the pro shop just right. But we'll have some lowriders out here to kind of showcase just the experience of coming to an Isotopes game. On top of that, we're also going to have a few additional vehicles, and those vehicles will be parked over here. So who's orange convertible again? So we're gonna be flying right over your convertible and then kind of making an S-turn. Imagine this green bike chopper. That's essentially gonna be our apex for the turn going into the pro shop. So one of the biggest parts of doing a Cinewhoop video is because you have your eyes covered the whole time, you have to have a visual observer. You have to maintain that visual line of sight according to the FAA regulations. So I'm actually gonna be positioned just over here, which is just inside the pro shop door. That way our VO can see the drone and I maintain the communications on the drone itself. Then I will be in a chair and literally push from this side all the way through the pro shop. So that said, once we're in the pro shop, the scene in here is essentially supposed to mimic the experience of being at one of the games, picking up a shirt, a hat for your family members or friends. Then we're gonna be flying into the pro shop where we will see our two models, Devry, is that right? And Anne. Yep, they will be kind of showing off some new Isotopes swag, so that'll be kind of cool. But as we fly through the pro shop, we're kind of showing, you know, all the pro shop swag that we have. And as we exit the pro shop, we're gonna be flying right through this liquor stand, beer stand. So we wanna show that, but we also wanna keep it safe. So we're gonna have the bartender on this side, so the left side from your perspective, handing that drink just right there. And then our customer will kind of have that stage presence, or what we call the stage stance, where they're at 3/4 turn facing this way so we can see them from the camera, but then also as they're taking the action and grabbing the beer, we can see that as well. So bartender, all I need from you is, while we're looking at the kiosk right now, to stand as far to the right side of the kiosk as possible, because I'm not in the, stylist business and I don't want to be giving haircuts today, okay? So now once we fly through the kiosk, we're gonna be flying through a pizza box. And one of the main sponsors is Dion. So they'll be opening up that pizza and we're gonna rip right through that box. From there, we're gonna see dancers, or the mariachi dancers that are normally shown at some games, dancing on top of the dugout here.
1, 2, 3, ábrelos. 1, 2, 3.
Once I fly through that pizza box, which is pretty much right where the mariachi guys are standing, that will also be the cue for you dancers, okay? And we're gonna show those dancers, which will also provide us with a nice segue and transition from this proximity shot into our next proximity shot, because we've gotta be able to get through the nets. You'll start your dance, we'll be flying along the seats, kinda in an arc. We'll show the dancers, and then we're going down into first base. So once we fly through the nets, on first base, we'll actually see a pickle going on between two of the players and the mascot. Our players, first of all, thank you for being here. We're gonna have a pickle between two players and orbit. When we fly by the dancers, we wanna show that pickle going on, but we're gonna have to figure out this cue. As soon as I fly through the nets, we're gonna need whoever's at second base. Second base, I want you to throw the ball as hard as you can to our first baseman right in the box, okay? Right over his shoulder, because I wanna essentially stop right there, see that, and then we're gonna move to home plate. So who's our pitcher and catcher? Awesome, so once we see that pickle, we'll be flying down to home plate where we'll see an actual strikeout take place. We have a batter too, right? Unfortunately, you're gonna strike out today, okay?
Yeah, it was on Snide. He didn't swing right.
When I'm about halfway there, that's when you're gonna throw that pitch, strike out our batter, and then right as he strikes out, we're gonna see you strike out the batter. So we wanna see dramatic, you're out of here, really, you give it some gusto, okay? Then we're gonna move past home plate where we're gonna have our chili racers. Yep, a New Mexico red, green chili. Well, they're gonna be racing one another, and they're gonna be starting right at that third base line and kind of moving out into second base. Now here's the thing, we talked about having orbit in the pickle. So orbit is then going to go beyond second base right after the pickle, okay? Because as we see the chili race from third base start, they're gonna round second base and orbit's gonna be right there. From there, that's where we're gonna have one of our funnest proximity shots as the mascot orbit. We're gonna fly through his legs and make it all the way up to our last concluding shot. Who's on Topes Tower? Topes Tower? Our family, okay? So you guys are gonna be the last scene of the video. I'm essentially gonna scream across the field as fast as I can up to the Topes Tower. If all the kiddos, if you guys can go, ah, when you see the drone, okay? We're gonna showcase their Topes Tower, which is a fun place for kids to really have a little bit of fun and do something outside of just watch the game. We'll orbit around that tower and finish with our establishing shot. Nice big wide angle of the entire stadium. Good job, buddy. So as you can tell, ladies and gentlemen, not every practice goes perfectly. But this practice went pretty good. Now, you've seen the behind the scenes of this entire video and you've seen everything that's gone into it. including all the work from each participant. Why don't we go ahead and check out how the final video turned out after all the editing, sound design, and everything that went into this. Let's check it out.
Señores, pido permiso para cantar esta canción, a presentar este equipo que son puros corazones. Señores, pido permiso para cantar esta canción, a presentar este equipo que son puros corazones. Mariachis de Nuevo México, no hay otros igual, son todos buenos gallos en el juego de béisbol. Mariachis de Nuevo México, no hay otros igual, son bravos y buenos gallos en el juego de béisbol.
So fire it up, totes, and bring home a win. It's a whole new ball game. Albuquerque, Isotopes, it's a whole
New ball game.